Hi, I'm Siddhi. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can become a designer in 5 months. Yes, you do not need a 2 year or 3 year design degree to become a designer. In this video, I'm going to talk about a detailed roadmap of becoming a designer in 5 months, and I will be providing all the useful resources that will help you become a better designer. So, let's get started. So, in the month one, you will be learning about the UI basics and you will be building a strong base for your UX design thinking. Now, you can build a strong base for your UX design thinking by reading some books or maybe watching some videos. And firstly, in the week one, you will be learning about the difference between UI UX design, what are the job roles, and what is the scope in this field, and how to become a better designer. And you will be watching videos about other designers, other senior designers who are in this field since like 2 3 years or more, and you will be learning about how they started their design journey and everything. This will be your week one. So, in the week 2 and 3, you will be diving deep into user research and you will be understanding how UX process works and how to build a good UX design thinking. And in this month, you will also be learning about color theory, typography, how to match two fonts, make a set, and everything about the basics of UI as well as UX design. And in the week 4, you will be learning about the basic interface of Figma and the shortcuts and how to use plugins and what are the good plugins which you can be which you can actually use in your designs. So this will be your month 1. At the end of the month 1, I want you to create or maybe redesign a login page or a sign up page or maybe onboarding screens of any existing app, or you can design of your own since you will already be knowing basic interface of Figma, and login page do not require a lot of effort. So I want you to build a good login page or anything. Either you can redesign it or create it by your own or anything by the end of this first month. So, in the month 2 and week 1, you will be learning about auto layout, you will be learning about variants, components, everything in Figma, and you will learn about the basics of UI animations. You can watch some YouTube videos that will help you out in this case. You do not need a design course exactly, it's up to you. But this is the way in which you can learn the UX UI design for free. Okay, so you can watch some YouTube videos which will teach you UI animations, the basics. Obviously, you do not need to start learning prototyping day one itself. So you can start learning with the basics of UI animations, auto layouts, components, and then we have grid system, and then design systems, how to create design systems, and all that. And by the end of this month, that is week 3 and 4, you will be learning about responsive designs, how to create responsive designs. Now, a responsive design means, now, for example, there is an app, okay, like for example, say Spotify. So, Spotify looks way too similar when we use it in app as well as a website, right? It is very similar. So, that is responsiveness. So, the user should not get confused between the app when he switches from the app to website. So that is what I mean when I say responsive design. So you will be learning how to create responsive design. You will be learning about web design, the basics of web design, that is navigation bars, footers, hero sections, etc. So this is what you will be learning in the month 2, and by the end of month 2, you will be redesigning an existing app that can be Instagram or Spotify or Facebook or YouTube or anything, or even Netflix. So based on your creative thinking, and when I say redesigning, I do not mean that you will be copy pasting. Obviously, you will be putting your own creative thinking, and you will be designing at least 5 to 6 screens in that. So this is what you will be doing in the month 2. In the month 3, you will be learning about the UX research, that is primary and secondary research. surveys, interviews, how they are conducted, what are the websites and tools used for that, and everything you need to know about UX research. In the week 2 of this month, you will be learning about sitemaps, user flows, card sorting, task flows, and by the end of that week, that is week 2, you will be redesigning a landing page of an existing website or whatsoever. So this will be your month 3, but week 2. In the week 3, you will be learning about proper design process, that is wireframing from low fidelity to high fidelity, and sketching, ideation, the entire design process. And by the end of this week, you will be creating a wireframe for any of the apps that you love, maybe Instagram or anything. You will be creating a rough sketch and you will be turning that into a design. By the end of this month, that is week 4, month 3, you will be learning about prototyping and Figma. Yeah, and you can watch many YouTube videos for that, and you can learn prototyping. And very soon, I will be uploading a few videos about that too. So you can watch my videos and you can learn prototyping from there. And by the end of this month, you will be creating interactive e-commerce flow. Yeah, you can even redesign an existing one. That's not an issue, but make sure you follow the proper design process, and you must include UI animations and everything. So this is all about your month 3. So in the month 4, you will start building your own mini design system. In the week 1, you will be building your mini design system. You will be learning about how to create a design system. You will be learning about UI libraries, tokens, atomic design model, and everything. And by the end of this week, you will be creating your own design system. In the week 2, you will start with your first case study. You will learn how to build one. You will watch some YouTube videos and you will learn how to build your own case study. And in the week 3, you will start working on your portfolio. That is, you will be using some websites like Framer or maybe Webflow or something like that. And you will start with your portfolio layout and structure. By the end of this month, you will be finishing with your case study. In the month 5, which is the last month, you will be redesigning a complete existing app. Complete existing app that can be Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, or anything. You will be redesigning it completely and you will be putting your own thoughts in that with proper design process, and you will be documenting your design process like a case study, and you will be including this in your portfolio. So this is what will happen in your month 5, first 2 weeks. So coming to month 5, last 2 3 weeks, what you will be doing is you will be building your design portfolio. Yes, you can use a number of tools for that, and you will be working on a number of personal projects. You will be including everything that you have learned. You will be creating an online presence, maybe on LinkedIn or Instagram or anything. You can post your designs out there, and by that way, you can even start freelancing or you can even search for an internship. So, as soon as you're done with your portfolio, you will be asking any of your senior designers to review it, and you will consider their feedbacks, and you will be, changing your portfolio accordingly. Make sure you have at least like 6 personal projects by the end of this month. Till date, you must have at least like 5 to 6 personal projects that can either be redesigns or your own creative designs or anything like that. So, by the end of this month, you will be designing if you want to continue with a full time job or if you want to go with freelancing or internships or anything. So, you will be marketing your portfolio, you will be talking to other designers, other startup owners, and you will be sharing your portfolio with them. You will be sharing your designs and everything, your design process, and how and what makes you unique from other designers and everything. And that's how you will find clients for your freelancing. And if you want to start with internships, then you will have to create a good resume, your good CV. You will be preparing for your UX interview, and once you land your internship, you will be having a great value for that. So yeah. So talking about the books that you will be reading during your design journey, one is The Design of Everyday Things. Second is your Show Your Work. Third is Steal Like an Artist. These are the books that helped me a lot in my design journey, and I'm pretty sure they will help you out too. I will be providing the links in the description box. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And in the upcoming videos, I will be sharing more about design journeys and how to become a better designer, how to start your freelancing, how to land an internship, how to ace in your UX design interview, and everything. So do not forget to press that bell icon out there. Okay. Bye bye.